We have been searching for solutions that makes furniture assembly even easier for a very long time. So when I first saw Threespine ID 2 years ago, when it was introduced to me, it clicked with me as it was so far the easiest solution of furniture assembly on the market. Therefore, I found it a brilliant idea. The Threespine ID technology enables us to design more sustainable products. It allows to include circular principles into the design of furniture. We can have furniture that is easier to assemble. It makes dismantling possible, which was not the case in the past. It also allows us to use less parts and reinforces or facilitates the possibility to repair or replace the elements. In this way, it makes the furniture lower the environmental impact and the carbon footprint impact on the whole value chain.
The main benefit of Threespine in our production is that Threespine ID is the integral part of the entire manufacturing process. And having the furniture production, we start from cutting and edge bending. This is exactly the same like for normal RTA business. However, the heart of the Threespine starts in drilling operations. And Välinge did a great job because once they started developing the new solution with Threespine ID, in the same time they began working together with machine manufacturer in order to adapt existing machines to the new requirements, which is connected with angle drilling.
Environmental regulations are becoming increasingly important, and Threespine ID is helping us to meet those regulations. First of all, we at Forte have very strong internal commitment towards sustainable goals, not only ecological, but also social and governance goals. And we have settled a path to meet our long-term commitments and are eager to form partnership in order to even strengthen our impact. On the other side, there are stricter and stricter European regulations towards sustainability. One example is the European Union Eco-Design for Sustainable Products regulations, which aims that all the products that are coming into the European Union market shall be durable, recyclable and last longer. In this way, Threespine ID answers all of those requirements.
Implementation process, I would say, was a perfect one from the very beginning, because once we start cooperation with Välinge, Välinge appointed the project manager dedicated for us, the 100% person dedicated to cooperate with Forte. So we had a chance at the very beginning to go to Välinge and to have a training for managers and product and process engineers to learn about Threespine. During the implementation process, what was really also really important for us was that the Välinge people came to Poland and they conducted the training for our operators. Once we installed already the machines in the production, they came here and trained the operators from machine setup, from parameters, from tolerances, from quality control and things like that.
EasyKlix by Forte brand is a family of furniture that put ease and embraces ease in all aspects of the consumer experience. It does not only include the Threespine ID screwless car case assembly, it continues with easy to assemble hinges and as well, if needed, some pre-mounting. And with that, we have now delivered a new generation of flatpack furniture which is beautiful designed, truly easy to assemble, premium and uncompromised high quality and rock solid results. Consumers can find EasyKlix by Forte brand furnitures with various of our retail partners. For example, John Lewis department stores in the UK, Höfner, Otto or Amazon in Germany. And we are rapidly expanding this base of retail partners now in the coming months. And we're not only expanding the partners, we as well are expanding the collections. When you buy an EasyKlix product, we promise, don't worry, it will be easy, no tricks, just clicks.
Partnering with Välinge moves us forward in our vision to be the leader in furniture industry, while at the same time complying to our sustainability commitments. We have very strong indication to be a sustainable leader in the furniture industry. The more and more strict European regulations are coming into place, and with this solution we are far ahead in complying.